So how can I clean this machine? This machine is attached to electricity, so of course you cannot place this one under the sink or the bottom parts of these two items. So what you can do is for the milk frothing system, you can just remove this device, and this, yes, you can rinse it under current water. And this is done, and later you can place it in a spot underneath. And the other device, you have to just use a damp cloth and remove the milk like this. You don't need any soap because it's just milk, so you will just do this, and you will be clean. As you can see, it's clean. The coffee machine. So first of all, the bottom part, if you just make coffee, is really hot, so you need a cloth to be able to unscrew it. Then you have to remove the coffee by doing this, and you can rinse it out. This one is already clean, it doesn't need any cleaning, so you can place it back to its spot. This, you place it back. You can maybe clean a little bit underneath, and this, yes, you can rinse it out. Don't use any soap, because otherwise your next coffee will taste like soap. So you don't need, it's a typical coffee machine, and it doesn't need any soap. Just rinse it out as well, and this you can rinse it under water, running water. And that's it. And it's done.